What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video in which we'll be covering Sushi, the token of the Sushi swap and just the Sushi DeFi platform. Wanted to cover it, so in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going over the price and some statistics and insights around Sushi swap and their token, but apart from that we're also going over some of the recent news around it. Sushi Swap obviously is one of the biggest decentralized exchanges right now, but it's more than that. And we're going to be talking a little bit about that. If you know me, that's what I usually do. We'll talk about the project, but also the price. Don't worry about that, because the price has been exceptionally bullish over the last 4 days. Went up over the last 4 days by more than 40%, which is one of the biggest gainers in the entire top 200 of crypto. So the main thing is, Sushi Swap is way more. It's at sushi.com. You can actually explore all their apps. They have some products about analytics and DAO salaries and investing schedules. Great thing. They have swaps, an X swap, cross-chain swapping made easy, which is very nice to have. I think I speak for most of us. If you have to bridge a lot of your assets, like for example, I bridge quite a lot between like near Ethereum and the BNB chain. It's quite hard sometimes. And fees you can earn, but you can also at analytics you can also see all of the best fees and stuff. So great platform, I think. And apart from that, you can follow that not on Reddit. You can follow on Twitter. That they actually, they're developing a lot. They added Kava, the Kava blockchain to their network, as you can see. And some of its most popular decentralized applications. And apart from that, it's just very active, developing a lot. So great things also for in the future. If we take a look at the price, then first of all, you can see that the volume is amazing. It's higher than the market cap. That's great. TVL is amazing. Sushi Swap is actually quite new, right? Not the newest, but it's also definitely not old. Sushi Swap is actually, I think, one of the best decentralized exchange tokens. Sushi is one of the best tokens to invest in for next bull market, but that's just between you and I. For now, what it looks like, you can clearly see that we're in the middle of a huge key area. You can also see that we have been trying to break above this trend line. And this trend line is quite significant. You can see that we've respected that quite a bit. We haven't broken above that yet. To be honest, I don't think we will. We hit the top of this key area between 1.25 and 1.4, 1.42. What I think is going to happen right now is that we're going to drop down to that 1.25, 1.27 level. And there it's going to get interesting. Excuse me, can I still alter this a little? No. Can I really not? No. All right. So the thing, what's going to happen, in my opinion at least, is the market circumstances aren't great. So even though I'm very bullish on Sushi Swap, the market doesn't really care about your feelings, right? So I think we're dropping down to that 1.27, 1.25 level. And then from there, if we can actually stay on top of 1.25, we don't have to break out above 1.35 or anything, that same trend line. But as long as we can stay on top of 1.25 for the next 3 days, then I think we're going to break above 1.42. Yes, so a big bullish breakout and get up to that level at 1.55, 1.6. All right, so there's definitely potential in the short term to see some nice moves, because that move from 1.25 would be another 27% gain, and that would be a total of oh, this doesn't work. Would be a total since the 3rd of October of about 56%, so big gain. But on the other hand, for the people that are listening closely, you must remember that this only happens if we stay on top of 1.25 for 3 days. We're going to drop down, we're going to find support. If we then find support and afterwards drop down below 1.25, we'll probably drop down to around 1.15. And if we do that, then it's probably followed by a move all the way down to 1.1, kind of that area at 1.1. And then from there, we'll probably continue this uptrend we've been in, but it's going to be harder to actually get some breakouts, and it's probably going to be something like this. All right, so definitely potential to get some great gains on the short term, but It depends. It all depends on 1.25 or 1.27, in my opinion at least. So that's my take on Sushi for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.